Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2013 Holden Colorado LX Dual Cab Ute, stock reference number 3941. The shape runs from the first month 2012 and is the current shape. It has an LWH 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic four-wheel drive transmission. LWH 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the front and both sides. It's fitted with factory 16-inch steel rims. The left rear has a good tyre. Left-hand tail light. Rear bumper does have paint fade where it is painted black. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and neck. The tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory steel rim with a good tyre. And a right front factory 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a grey centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, factory seats, heater controls, factory 6-stack CD player, have the top glove box, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.